Welcome to To Tosoption. My name is Roger Pack. Thank you for joining. I'm going to go through an overview of all the services that I provide. There's a lot of information, but I think this presentation will serve as a useful package so that you can understand what we do here at To Tosoption. I'm going to begin with an introduction and then talk about the Discord channels. Then I'll go ahead and talk about briefly the WebView portal so that you can access the real-time algorithms. We have a predictive calendar that's very useful for those who like to know their edge on every subsequent trading day. We also have a flagship product called the 750R cash retirement cow system. And we have a mobile app for the Android and iOS. So To Tosoption is a research-based company that I founded back in 2007. There was a lot of data mining that I've done in the past, which then was transferred into strategies. I also provide a large library of educational courseware for those who are experienced, seasoned traders, and those who are just beginning their trading journey. I think I differentiate this company from other services because I focus on very core strategies that simply work. And these strategies, when you complement them with the algorithms that I've created, it's just a great combination of the two working and ultimately giving the trader a bit more confidence in taking that trade. We also are data driven, so there's a lot of information behind the markets like seasonality that we take into consideration. And when you combine all of these things together, ultimately we provide an edge for all our clients when they trade into these markets. The To Tosoption Discord server has a whole bunch of different channels that are categorized based on specific information. But at the top left here, we have testimonials, winning trades, and losing trades. So at To Tosoption, we're very transparent about what goes on with our trades. We post winning trades and losing trades. Of course, there's nothing that's 100% guaranteed other than life and taxes. But we do encourage all traders to post their winnings and losing trades in these channels. I also have a testimonial section, so you can go ahead and if you're looking for more information about people's experience in our Discord channel, then you can go ahead and find more comments and feedbacks in that. There's a premium resource channel where there's announcements, frequently asked questions, links to the algorithms, a ledger that tracks all the trades that I take in my personal account, a course calendar that I offer mini courses about 3 or 4 times a month, which complements some of the trades that we get into, and then a YouTube video channel that lists videos that are unlisted and generally private for those who are members of this Discord. Sometimes I'll post public videos as well. Premium alerts, this is where all the alerts are being broadcasted here in Discord and also in the mobile app. But this channel right here, the trade alerts, those are the trades that I take in my personal account. We have active trade alerts for those who are looking to trade and scalp. We have 750R alerts. Those are alerts that are running real funds in retirement account systems. And they get, whenever they trigger a long or a sell short position, or just simply closing positions, they'll get alerted there with a graphical image. We also have an algorithm here called D-ball algorithm that will also post visual representations of other tickers from main server 103, which I'll talk about briefly. And then we have a dedicated channel for Tesla S3XY algorithm, which is the best algorithm that I have created since 2010. Another channel here is the 750R system. So if you're looking for a more reliable, higher return investment with the least amount of effort, you can go ahead and read. There's information about that if you're interested in that. We have a premium room section. So that's when you sign up as a member, you'll get market updates via voice. So I usually come on voice and live streaming in Discord about 2 times a day, 3 times a week. And those are recorded and then uploaded to our cloud drive for everyone to access if they're busy at work. There's a refresher on position sizing. Position sizing is the most important skill to have when you go ahead and trade these leverage instruments. So that's a dedicated channel because I think it's the most important. A voice folder there if you just want quick access to the cloud drive. We have wolf wave alerts for a specific setup using the no lag indicator. Launchpad alerts for those who are interested in launchpad setups, which I teach. Technical analysis for general market trends. The main chat room is an active chat room that is active between 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern time, and then generally we talk about trade setups or the current positions, and then when the market closes, we bring the chat over into the after hours chat room. We also have a futures chat room because I was teaching courses in micro futures. So there's a strategy that I've taught, and that's a chat room for those who are taking advantage of a very, very popular strategy in the micro futures. And then finally, we have an options trading floor. So that's where I come on live and stream my charts and also talk about the current market conditions like the market internals, the VIX, and the current trade setups. And then if you feel like you have a question about a specific ticker, when I come on voice, you can discuss that ticker with me, and I'll go ahead and chart that together with you. And then we also have a public chat room where we have Twitter feeds coming in, dark pool activity with unusual option activity that gets posted here, in option chat rooms, stocks, crypto chats, and other miscellaneous events that involve risk. On the left-hand side in the server, we also have a channel for Tosoption scripts. So those who are interested in indicators, of course, there's like thousands of indicators, but we've narrowed it down to a handful. So these are the ones that I highly recommend everyone become familiar with, and they're all available here for free to download. And then again, we have a learning curve section for those who are just beginning their trading journey. It's 15 days. I would say probably if you're really a fast learner, I think it'll probably take you not even half, so maybe 8 days. And then there's also a new traders course called 50/50 for those who are interested in trading paper 50 days so that they can become more familiar with the strategies. And then after 50 days, once they fully understand what's going on and have a proper workspace set up, they would begin trading live in the premium room together with the rest of us. In terms of the 750R system, which is the flagship product we have, this is a product for those who are generally looking for 35% net compound interest annually. It's a very, very reliable system that always beats the market. And we have about more than 47 clients that are all very, very, very happy with the performance. And that's a flagship product that we offer here at To Tosoption. When you become a member, you'll have a username and password, and those credentials are used to enter into the WebView portal. When you enter them into the WebView portal, you'll be able to access 4 streaming servers that will broadcast a radar, main 100, which is the 750R systems, main 102, which is the TGIF server, which is what you see on the right-hand side, and then main 103, which is something I'll talk about shortly. So when you log in and you click on the radar, it'll bring you to this watch list. And what this watch list is, you just look for these red markers that says 0.00, and that basically tells you the stock is in a period of contraction and most likely will expand higher or lower. And then once we identify contracting price action, we'll discuss that in the main chat room together to identify potential targets and then determine whether or not the entry is reasonable at the time that we're discussing it, or look for a strategy to get into it that will provide the best amount of returns. Talk about specific events that we want to get into in terms of strikes and all that information. So this radar serves as a kind of like a newsletter, and all you got to do basically from a quick glance is just identify all these red markers that say 0.00. There's more information about this in the learning curves. Main 100, that's where all the systems for the algorithms are running in real time with real funds, and whenever the algorithms get into a position long or sell short, or just simply closing the position off, that will get alerted and then posted in the 750R Discord channel with the graphical image, so that traders can look and reference that in real time. You can access it real time through the server, and also whenever the alert is triggered, it will also be snapshot and posted in that 750R alert channel. Main 102, that's the flagship, again, another flagship product called the TGIF. We just basically trade 6 tickers, and only 6 tickers because these are the most reliable. That's in 102, and there's more information about how to trade this in the learning curves. And 103, if there's any popular stocks that people request, I also post those here in the main server 103. And that's this is currently, we have tickers like YOLO, Roku, BYND, PayPal, Zoom, AMD, Shop, and Baba. The other product we have is the predictive calendar. So on average, the predictive calendar has a probability of success greater than 60%. We do factor in a little bit more information than other services that create predictive calendars. We consider trend as the driving we apply a higher weighting to the trend in our decision in determining the probability of success, whether the market is going to be bullish or bearish on the subsequent day. The 750R cash cow system, this is an amazing system that is probably top 10% in North America. It has an annual return of 35% compound, and a gross return on investment that can exceed over 70%. I think last year was 98%, and it's just an amazing system that outperforms the market year after year. Generally, if a quick and dirty summary is just basically, if you invest $50,000 on year one, and then at the end of 5 years, you're expected to have about $190,000 net. So that's after all the taxes are paid off. So here are some of the accounts here on the left-hand side. And then this image right here is the actual accounts of a couple accounts that I've graphically posted here, exhibiting the difference in return on investments. And then in this chart here, you can see the periodical returns, where the compound interest, annual interest, is exceeding 32%. And then finally, we have a mobile app for Android and iOS users. So when you download this from the store, you can access the charts and then videos, and then also the alerts coming from the Discord channel. Okay, so if you're interested in the becoming a member, there are 3 types of memberships: Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. They're all relatively the same. The only difference is they're slightly discounted if you stay on board a little longer. And then we have a new product coming out called the 50/50. So for those who are just new to trading and have absolutely no idea what they're doing, and they just want to have a little bit more attention to the details, there is a new product coming out called the 50/50 course, and that's designed for those who are just beginning. And how it works is that during the 50 days, you'll go through a training session. And then also there's 5 live training courses during the 50 days. And then after 50 days, you should be fully equipped with all the tools and necessary information and so that you can start trading live. So it's 50 days of paper trading with live training sessions, and then after the 50 days, you begin your live trading in the premium room. All right, so thank you very much, and I hope this presentation gave you enough information to decide whether you want to join the TOS Option Discord community. Thank you very much, and have a great day.